$955 for this $100 bill. Now, don't get me wrong, $100 is a lot of money, but imagine being able to come across a $100 bill and sell it like this person did for $955. I'll keep this video brief and to the point. This is a 1974 $100 bill. Now, if you find a bill like this, the first thing you need to do is make sure you do not fold it or damage it in any way, because the condition does matter when it comes to the value of your $100 bill. So this bill has an offset printing error. Now, how this occurs is during the printing process, the back of the bill is printed first, then the front of the bill, which is all the black area, including Franklin there in the center. And then the third and final print is called the overprint. What you really need to know is that if you find a bill like this, it could be worth a lot of money. And if you want to sell it, you're going to have to get it certified by a third-party company like PMG or PCGS. Now, this one was graded by PMG at a 58. Now, if this would have graded higher, it would have sold for a lot more money than $955. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.